once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy again here at O'Reilly's, and today we've got a C3 Picasso Citroen. It's got a rattling from underneath, so we've got it in here to have a look and see if we can figure out what the rattle is, what's going on. This is the car here, so we've just got it, put it up on a jack. We're going to go underneath and have a look. So we're just underneath the car here having a look, and what we can see is a very noisy piece of metal here. This is the exhaust heat shield. So we're going to get over a little bit closer, see if we can see what's actually causing it. Alright, so if we look here, you can see where it should have been attached, and just over here it's corroded away and it's just broken off. So what we've got here is a little washer. I'm just going to put a few washers in place just to fill the corroded gap up and hold this in place. So we've just got these bolts in here and our washers. That should hold it. Now we'll just go around to all of these areas and put a washer in each place just to hold it in place, so it'll be nice and firm. So the little bit of flimsy metal is just a heat shield basically. Sorry, I can't get a good angle, a little bit close to the ground under here, but you can see what we've done there. Now we can get this down off our little ramp stands. Got a little mascot here having a look around, making sure I'm doing a good job. And I've passed the inspection, he says. All done. Now the next issue on this little beauty is the driver's headlight. It's not working. But looking in there, doesn't even look like there's a bulb in there, so we're gonna open the bonnet and have a look at what's going on there as well. Let's get that up. Have a look over here, the headlight area. Bit of a strange one. The actual bulb holder is just sat here. So we'll need to have a look at reconnecting it, or is there something broken inside? I haven't even looked yet, but we'll have to flip the camera upside down a little bit. Doesn't look like anything's broken, but the dust cover, the grommet cover, is missing as well. So we'll see if we can get this back in and connect it. So there's very tight access here to actually show you, but there's these little torque bolts at each side there. Got one over here, one there, and one on the side. And what that does is, sorry, let me just get the camera around. These little tabs here on the side, they should slide under those, but of course the problem is it's not going in. Let me see if I can get you around there. So they should slide under. It looks like they're going under from here, but they're actually not. It's still just falling loose. So we might need to loosen these bolts up and then clamp it in place and retighten them. So we'll do that right now. Just trying to get you a good angle here on what I'm looking at. But I've got the little plastic shim in place. Now it's under each side of these little bolts here. And now the plug connector should be able to just go back in. Back into place, and we'll test the headlight. And this is the correct way around. So the tabs should be facing top to bottom, and the metal tabs underneath each little screw there, you can see. So now the plug should go in properly where it should sit. Let's see if we can get that in there. Just like that. You got them little locking tabs on top there. Holds the electrical connector in place. And it's a good job we did catch that in time. You can see there where the bulb was cutting into the wiring harness. That would have caused some problems after another few days maybe. And that was a nice, quick and easy job, relatively short and sweet. So see you on the next video.